Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use OTG connections with your HONOR X7d smartphone. First, get the OTG device or the OTG adapter that supports USB Type-C connection types. Then connect your device like a USB flash SD flash card, for example, to your OTG device. In my case it's done like this, but it depends on what your device looks like. And then simply enter your OTG device into the smartphone's USB-C port. And now, to see if your device properly recognized the USB flash drive, you have to go to the Files on your phone, go to Browse, and then check if there is a USB drive detected by your device. As you can see, in my case, the phone clearly detects the OTG device. If in your case your smartphone doesn't recognize it, you should make sure that your USB flash card is properly formatted. The most suitable formats for this phone are either FAT32 or exFAT. So you can format your OTG device using, for example, your computer, and then reinsert it into your smartphone. Once you're done with everything, simply eject the OTG device from your smartphone. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.